Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Toothpaste can be used to repair scratches on a CD. Clean the disc with warm water, soap, and a cloth and then dry it, making sure that no lint is left behind. Squeeze toothpaste onto the disc and rub it on the disc in a straight motion from the center out to the edges. 11 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Use a small dab of the gritty type of toothpaste. The gritty toothpaste can act as a mild abrasive and will remove scratches from the disc. To use the toothpaste method, get your finger wet first. Slowly wipe and move the toothpaste into the scratch on the disc. 13 July 2015.
Take our lead.
Use a window cleaner, such as Windex, to fix scratched DVDs. Window cleaners are made to be very gentle so that they can clean glass without damaging or scratching its surface. Cleaning DVDs with window cleaner helps smooth over scratched areas and can help fix them. 12 April 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.